Alright y'all, welcome back to another video for the puzzle box. I'm getting some pretty good progress on all of the interior wall pieces. I'm currently datoing them all out. This is one of the smaller pieces. I've got it veneered on one side, the other side will never get seen. On the other one, you can see here, started datoing it. Got to do a bottom dado on the smaller ones and then end dados on the big ones, and then they'll be ready to test fit. After then test fitting, then I'm going to spray them and then be able to put them onto the box. So there's that one. There's another one that's a small one that never gets seen, that's why it's just MDF. And then these are the long interior pieces that go all the way across the box. See, I've got it veneered in the bubble maple. I have these first dados done. Long one for the bottom, short one for the top. And now I'm getting ready to do these end dados, so let's get on with that. Alright, so this is what it'll look like. This piece is the one that goes here. This is the piece that goes here in the back. It's offset a little bit from the edge because it dados into one of the long pieces on either side, and they'll step in a bit and make that all flat. You can see how that'll be. Dado sits in there nicely. And the other one will be over here. So now I'm going to do the end dados on the long ones. Okay, so these are 15 3/4. I need to cut an 1/8 off of either end, an 1/8 deep dado. So I'm going to make this 15 5/8. I'll just use this scrap piece to check the depth. And it's right at an 1/8. So that's good. I'm going to run these. Time to go test fit. I think I may need to cut a little bit deeper. But maybe not. Oh, I forgot. It's not going to go in any more than that. Pretty flush. I also have some wobble here. I don't know if you can see that. See how is that a slight bit of movement? I purposely left a bit of movement. That way when I clamp it up, I can be perfectly precise in making sure that I'm flat on both sides. Because one side could end up being a little bit off. And when I orbital sanded these frame parts, they went like this a little bit. Just a little. This explains why they won't go down all the way. I don't know if you can see that. That groove goes to there and stops because of this wingay going here. This wingay right there is not drilled in with a dado. So it's stopping and hitting that wingay instead of going all the way down in my groove. So I gotta chisel out the corner. Alright, check it out. Perfectly flush. It's going good. Alright guys, got them all ran. All the cracks, grooves. Goes in nice and tight. Just like that. This interior here does not get seen at all. They'll never see this inside part. The drawer stops, all these get seen. All this inside will open up. And then a push button drawer comes right here, but it never comes out. It's just for pushing. When you push on it, it'll open this drawer. So it never gets seen. That's why that's like that. And then this other drawer obviously comes all the way out and you'll see it. But yeah, turned out really good. I have to cut a groove in this from the end over here all the way to this edge because I'm going to have this drawer is going to be the push, and then you slide it. Well, there's going to be a pin coming out of the back of it that pushes through this one and slides to stop right there. And that pin also, when this drawer is here, that pin won't be able to be pushed. That's why this drawer has to be took out. Then the pin will go in and move. So I cut that groove, and then over here I've got a square hole to cut out for this drawer to be pushing. The drawer will have a little square end on it that'll push through this. That way this drawer has to be pulled out before this one will be able to push through. But yeah guys, I'm going to get all that done and then get on the spray and then glue it all up. Next video I'll be doing all of the surrounding panels and false panels hopefully, so stay tuned for that. I'm also going to be doing a lot of dovetail drawers, so I got to buy some dovetail bits, and going to be doing some inlaid dovetails too hopefully, so stay tuned, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.